Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Acer laptop touchpad is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for touchpad in the Windows search bar and go to touchpad settings. Okay, and then you can find the switch here. Make sure that it is turned on. After this, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and select update drivers. Okay, so this is how the touchpad not working issue can be fixed for Acer laptops. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.